Question 8. Use the table to complete the sentence. The rule for the function f that maps the pre-image, the figure a, b, c, d, e, to the image figure a prime, b prime, c prime, d prime, e prime is to translate each x-coordinate 2 units right and each y-coordinate blank units blank. Enter your answer as the number and direction, left, right, up, or down, that correctly fills in the blank in the previous sentence. Separate your answers with a comma like this, 42, comma, space, right. Okay, so now we're comparing the y-coordinates. So I'm going to compare 2 and ask myself, how did it go to -1, 9 to 6, 10 to 7, 6 to 3, and 0 to -3. So I am noticing that to go from 2 to -1, it could be a subtract 3. So to test this, I'm going to check that 9 to 6 is also subtracting 3. So I'm going to think to myself, 9 minus 3, is it 6? Yes, it is. So what about 10? So this is my question. Is the y-coordinate 10 for point C minus 3 give me 7? Which is the y-coordinate for C prime? Yes, it does. So I'm going to just check this again for points D and E. So D's coordinate is 6. If I subtract 3 from it, that's what I'm assuming or guessing is what's going on. Is 6 minus 3 give me the y-coordinate for D prime, which is 3. So 6 minus 3 does equal 3, which is the y-coordinate for D prime. So it is correct. So I'm checking, is 0 minus 3 give me the coordinate for E prime, which is -3. And yes, it does. So it is a translation for 3 units. Oh, I don't need to write units. 3 units, comma. Now, because I was subtracting, that means I'm going, if I were just to look at the y-axis runs vertical. So the up you go this way, you're increasing in numbers, so you're adding. And if you go down, you're decreasing in numbers, so you are in essence subtracting. So this is going down. So 3, comma, space, down.